Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 7 best fruits that every diabetic patient must know about. Listen, managing diabetes is no easy feat, am I right? It's all about making smart choices, especially when it comes to your diet. And that's where these incredible fruits come in. We're not just talking about any fruits here, folks. These are nutritional powerhouses that are not only delicious, but also help in managing blood sugar levels effectively. So, if you're ready to take control of your health and discover the tastiest way to manage your diabetes, stick around because we're about to break down the top 7 fruits you need in your life. Let's get started. First up, we've got berries. Think strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, all those vibrant, delicious little gems. They're packed with antioxidants, which are like little superheroes fighting off bad stuff in your body. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins and fiber, which helps keep your blood sugar in check. And here's the best part. Berries are low in calories, so you can enjoy a good amount without feeling guilty. Just remember, moderation is key with everything, so listen to your body and enjoy them as part of a balanced diet. Next, we have the classic apple. You know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, there's a reason for that. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber, especially that soluble fiber called pectin, which does wonders for your blood sugar. Apples also have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause those rapid spikes in blood sugar that can be problematic for people with diabetes. So go ahead, grab an apple, and crunch your way to better health. Let's talk about oranges, those juicy bursts of sunshine. We all know oranges are famous for their vitamin C, but did you know they're also great for blood sugar control? That's because they're high in fiber and have a low glycemic index, just like our friend the apple. But here's a pro tip. While orange juice can be part of a healthy diet, it's best to consume oranges whole. This way, you get the benefits of the fiber, which helps slow down sugar absorption, keeping your blood sugar levels more stable. Now let's give some love to pears. Pears often get overlooked, but they are seriously underrated when it comes to managing diabetes. They're packed with fiber, which we know is crucial, and they have a very low. Now let's talk about cherries, those little bites of summer sweetness. But don't let their size fool you. These tiny fruits are packed with antioxidants, even more so than some other berries. Cherries also have a low GI, making them a smart choice for managing blood sugar levels. Some studies even suggest that cherries might help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for overall health. Peaches, those fuzzy, juicy delights of summer, aren't just delicious, they're also great for managing diabetes. They're a good source of fiber, and they're loaded with vitamins A and C, which are antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. And guess what? Peaches also have a low GI, so they won't send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. So go ahead and enjoy a juicy peach as a healthy and refreshing snack. Last but not least, we have kiwi, the exotic superstar of the fruit world. Don't let its fuzzy exterior fool you. Kiwi is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamin C, even more than oranges per ounce, and it's a good source of fiber and potassium. And you guessed it, kiwi has a low GI, making it an excellent choice for managing blood sugar. So next time you're looking for a unique and healthy fruit, give kiwi a try. And there you have it, folks, the top 7 best fruits for managing diabetes. Remember, incorporating these fruits into a balanced diet can be a delicious and effective way to take control of your health. Thanks for watching.